All right, guys, it's time to get this 2021 KTM 450 SX converted into a three-wheeler. So let's get into it. So I already had the swing arm installed. So this is our fabricated swing arm that converts this dirt bike frame to accept the three-wheeler rear end. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. See, we chose the best axle you can buy, the Dominator 2 for this build. We installed our new anti-fade lock nut. It's very similar to the other ones on the market. I actually just put the whole nut on here. I'm not a fan of the ones where you stick the little prong in the hole to tighten them. So we have a wrench that comes with this. You can check it out at bvcoffroad.com. But anyway, guys, it's real simple. It doubles as a disc hub, and you got your axle nut built in. And of course, you got your snap ring right here. So you just rotate this the opposite way. Tightens up on here and keeps your axle tight. And when you're done torquing your axle, you just tighten this pinch down right here, and it keeps your axle nut from ever loosening. The RPM has a real nice sprocket hub right here. We're also going to throw our sprocket guard on here later in the video, so you guys can at least check that out. But yeah, a lot of billet goodies going on here. We've got our billet caliper mount with the rotor guard built in. Now this rotor guard is removable and replaceable, so anytime you wear that out, you can order this piece right here from us, get that reinstalled, and be basically like a brand new guard again. Super easy install. Hey guys, here's a look at our sprocket guard. Now, he went with a 36 tooth rear sprocket. He wanted a little bit more top end speed out of this build, so that's why this looks so much bigger than that. Normally the 38 is a little bit taller, so it'd be closer. But anyway, you can see how when the chain's installed, this is actually gonna completely guard your chain and sprocket from ever basically getting smashed up. So this will actually give you a little bit of traction if you're climbing over an obstacle. It will dig into it. It's a little bit sharp. We designed that, just like I said, to dig in and climb over an obstacle. So that gets rid of any skid plate that you'd normally have that would actually hang down to here. So that's going to gain you ground clearance. And again, this is also our brake disc guard that doubles as a caliper mount. So you can get all this stuff from the sprocket guard, brake disc guard, and the billet axle nut right at bvcoffroad.com. A little tip for you guys installing your rear brake pads. First off, you're going to remove your parking brake assembly. The two bolts that came out of that, these are really nice OEM Honda bolts. Those are now going to be used to actually mount your caliper. And the reason for that is you get the brake block off. Parking brake block off, comes with new bolts. So anyway, guys, that'll get set aside. Now you're going to take this bolt out right here, flip this up, and your new brake pads. Then you're going to reinstall that onto there. Spread those back out, get it installed on the bike.
seems like we did a lot.
We did a lot. All right guys, triples are ready to go. Got the stem pressed. Got this thing setting how I'd like. I flipped the stand around just so I can work on the front end. So now we're gonna get the billet triple clamps installed, get the forks on, and start going at the front end. This thing's starting to look good. That's pretty much it, guys, for this time. I ran out of parts, so we're actually running some hubs over on the mills. We're gonna get those all finished up and get the front end done. Yeah, stay tuned for the next video. So in the next video, we're gonna get this thing fully finished up on the front end. We're gonna get the subframes on. Those are already welded together and pretty much ready to go. And we're gonna of course get the plastic on, get this thing finished up and started. So if you guys like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up, comment, definitely subscribe to this channel. We're gonna be doing some giveaways at 50,000 subscribers. Just want to say thanks to everybody that has been following us since the start. It's awesome, guys. Anyway, guys, you guys have a good day. On to the next KTM builds. Got 2 more to go, so I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other builds. Comment below if you guys want to see the 300 2-stroke and the 500.